Guys, Huawei just dropped a monster. The Huawei Mate 80RS Ultimate is here, and it's not just another flagship, it's a statement. This is Huawei's answer to ultra-luxury tech, and it's packing some jaw-dropping surprises. First off, look at this design. We're talking premium ceramic body, precision-crafted edges, and that RS badge inspired by performance supercars. It feels more like a $3,000 timepiece than a phone. And yes, it's available in those bold, exclusive color finishes that scream luxury. The front? A 6.8-inch quad-curve OLED with a silky 144 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness that'll make sunlight your friend, not your enemy. Under the hood, Huawei's latest Kirin 9100 chip paired with a cutting-edge AI engine means apps launch instantly, gaming runs buttery smooth, and multitasking feels effortless. Oh, and 5G? Of course, plus Wi-Fi 7 for next-gen speeds. This is where it gets insane. A triple Ultra-Vision Leica camera system with a 1-inch main sensor. You get DSLR-level low-light shots, a periscope zoom that brings distant subjects crystal clear, and cinematic 8K video. Night cityscapes? Sharp. Portraits? Magazine cover ready. Powering all this, a massive 5,500 mAh battery with 100-watt wired and 80-watt wireless supercharge, 0 to full in minutes. And Huawei's HarmonyOS 5.0 brings AI-driven photo editing, smart translation, and even satellite messaging for emergencies. If you thought smartphones couldn't feel exclusive, the Huawei Mate 80RS Ultimate just proved you wrong. This isn't just tech, it's luxury performance in your pocket. Would you drop flagship money for this beast? Let me know below.